Hi guys, it's Denise and I'm here to do a tutorial for you, and it's fall makeup. And interesting enough, I'm going to be using products that are less than $15 each that I found in the drugstore, and they're pretty good. So if you want to see what the stuff I used and how to get this look, please keep watching. So the first product I'm using is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer or Base. And it's the Blur Plus Smooth, and you put this all over your face before the foundation, especially in the oily parts of your face. And this will cover your pores, and it's going to give you a smooth finish. Next product I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and it's the color 220. And this one was only $8, one of my favorite foundations. And mine is the normal to oily skin. And I'm using the e.l.f. Beauty Blender, which is only $3. So depending where you shop or what drugstore you shop at, I got all of my products from Walmart. So you don't want to glide, you just want to press. Because if you glide everything, then it's gonna be a mess. Next product I'm using is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and it's again my favorite concealer. And you do like a triangle shape, and here, anything you want brightness, and you blend it with your blender. So I'm gonna skip the powder part just because I haven't found a good drugstore powder or setting powder. So I'm going to skip that part, and I'm going to go to my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I found a good one, and it's the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Frame and Set in brunette, and it looks like this in a jar. So it could be like a dupe for my Anastasia one. So I'm gonna use the brush that comes with it, and now just frame your eyebrows. So this one was about, I think, $10 or $8. So compare that with the Anastasia one. The Anastasia one is about $25, and this was only $8. But quality wise, they're almost the same. So after you fill them in, you brush them out. Big difference with the eyebrows, look. So one tip is you outline it first, then you fill it in. So after your brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and put bronzer on my face. I don't want to do a full contour, so I'm just gonna bronze up the sides of my face to give it warmth. And I'm using the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and it's a waterproof one as well. So that's how it looks like. And this was about $5. So I'm just gonna take a brush like this and slowly just. And if you find that you put too much bronzer in your face, you could always just take it out or re-tap your blender that has a little bit of foundation. And just go on the natural creases of your face. Next one I'm going to be putting on is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, and it's the Mellow Wine color. And looks like this. Just gonna use a brush like this and just put it at the apples of my cheeks. And you don't want to go below your line, your bronzer line, just above. And then the next one I'm going to be putting is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and it looks like this. So you put it in the high points of your face, which is here. in the temples, side temples, in your nose, in your mouth, in the center. So the face part is done. Now we're gonna head to the eyes. The one I'm using is the Rimmel London Magnify Spice Edition, and it looks like this. And this one was about $13. For the quality, it's pretty good for the price. And this palette is comparable to the one from Urban Decay. I think it's called Naked Heat. So we are going to test it out. First, get a blending brush and you pick a transition shade like this to your crease and do big wiper motions that gives dimension to your eyes. So you just don't slap color in there, you have to have like a fade. Go where your natural crease is and then blend up. Not too high up where the brow bone is, but just underneath. So once you put a wash of color in there, you get a smaller blending brush like this. So it's tighter, and you put it just below that and choose maybe this color. So far the powder is good. Pretty good for the price. And then put it on the side and then blend just halfway. Even drugstore makeup is getting up there for 15 bucks compared to 60 bucks. It's crazy. This is pretty good. And the thing is, this is limited edition too, so if you haven't tried this one yet, I suggest you get it. You want to get a flat brush because you're going to put it over your lid, so something like this. And we are going to pick maybe this maroony color too. These two. Press again, don't swipe because you're going to have fallout. Usually you want shimmer in the middle of your eyes to make your eyes look bigger. Again, you would want to put it underneath. Tie up the look. I'm seriously liking this palette a lot. Okay, next shade, I'm just gonna give a little bit of definition. I'm gonna put these two colors over here. I will put that at the outer V just to give it some definition and warmth, more warmth to the look. Seriously guys, the pigment on this palette is crazy. There's no fallout, but like one swipe you could tell, like I'm not even, it's so blendable, it's so smooth, and wow, I'm just impressed. It's been a while since I got a palette from the drugstore because I'm very picky with my eyeshadows. I just wanted to be buttery and blendable, but this palette is, it's a keeper. So I'm just gonna be putting eyelashes on, and this is the Kiss 11 eyelashes, and this one I got for $14, I believe, 15 bucks. And the glue that I'm using is the Duo brush on glue, and this was about $6. Sorry if I missed out a product on their price. I will put the exact cost of each in the description below. And the mascara I'm going to be using is the CoverGirl Super Size It Big Curl Waterproof Mascara. Love this mascara, one of my favorites. So you want to bind your regular lashes to the falsies. As for my inner corner highlight, I'm just going to be using again the metallic highlighter that I used earlier and put it right on the inner corners of my eye. Kind of blend it with my fingers and also on my brow bone. And lastly, for the lips, I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick and my lip liner. So this one is the Maybelline lip liner in Raisin number 40. So it looks like this. The color is like a chestnutty brown. Not so sure if you can see it right there. And the lips is Wet n Wild in Rebel Rose. I'm gonna be slightly going over my line, and then I'm gonna be putting this mostly at the center of my lip. And lastly, to set my makeup, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, and this was about $6 for this bottle. And that's it for my look for today. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos you want to see next. Until the next time, bye.